All parties Hurriyat Conference has said that the people of occupied Kashmir continue to suffer immensely due to the military and the police siege and draconian black laws imposed by the Bharatiya Janata Party-led government since 5th August 2019. APSC spokesman Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas, in a statement issued in Srinagar, said the unresolved Kashmir dispute is the root cause of the tension and unrest between India and Pakistan. India's democracy is an illusion controlled by the powerful establishment that silences the dissent while maintaining a false image of the democratic values. Human rights violations are rising, with the minorities and the critics facing state-backed suppression, yet the internal mechanism failed to deliver justice. The situation in occupied Kashmir continues to deteriorate as India follows in the footsteps of its ideological counterpart Israel in its attempt to forcibly annex the Muslim-majority territory. The goal is clear, which is to erase the Muslim identity and alter the region's demographics so completely that Kashmir ceases to exist as a distinct entity. An Indian army man was injured in a landmine blast in the Poonch district. The army man was injured after he stepped accidentally over a landmine at the Tarkundi forward post at the line of control of the district. Indefinite strike launched by the PDD JPDCL daily workers in the Jammu continued on the 6th consecutive day today and demanded their regularization. Despite rain, the workers from the various parts of the Jammu working in the various corporations of the Unbundled Power Development Department assembled in the complex of the managing director of the JPDCL and held a strong protest demonstration. Congress occupied Kashmir President Tariq Hamid Karra has said that the Bharatiya Janata Party is disrespecting the overall mandate of the people, including the massive mandate secured by them in the Jammu too in the name of the statehood. Tariq Hamid Karra, addressing a joint press conference in Jammu, said during the ongoing campaign of the Congress throughout the several districts.